Educators, I'm going to show you a fun way to earn some extra income this summer, so save this video. All right, let's get into it. First, you're going to come to Amazon.com. You're going to go all the way to close to the bottom of the page and you'll see Make Money with Us, and then you will click on Become an Affiliate right here. Once you click on Become an Affiliate, it takes you to this page where it gives you a great idea of what you're going to do, recommend products, and earn commissions. And you'll click on Sign Up. Once they send you your affiliate link, you find something on Amazon that you either use or something that you really like and you think other people will like it. Make sure it's something of value, and if you haven't used it before, make sure you check the reviews for it because you're going to be recommending it to others. Once you find your item that you want to share with others, in the very top you'll see this site stripe. You can click on text. Once you click on the text, you'll just copy this link. Now come over to Pinterest, make sure you have a business account and it'll show you how to do that. And then you're going to click create. I'm going to click create pin and it gives me these options. I'm going to upload an image, add a title, and then tell everyone what my pin is about and also give a destination link. Now this is where, remember you copied that link, this is where you put it in. So I put my link in. Now I need to find an image that's gonna stand out. I've created an image in Canva and now I'm gonna upload it. I've uploaded my image and now I need a title. I'm gonna take the title that they have here. Probably can't use all of this. Pinterest only accepted 40 characters, so I narrowed it down to this information here as the title. Now I need a description. I'm gonna go to about this item. I'm going to copy this, but I'm not gonna leave it exactly like this. I'm gonna put a lot of this in my own words once I get it over to Pinterest. So I've put the description in my own words, and you can add alt text here if you like, and make sure you select a board right here at the top and then click publish. If you want to publish it at a different time, that option is available as well. If you go down, you can publish immediately or publish at a later date. Now you can post the link to your Pinterest in your social media account or just leave it where it is and get organic traffic. Or if you have more things you'd like to post, you can create a link tree. The important thing to know is that anytime somebody clicks on your link and purchases that product from your link, you get a commission. If you want to learn how to do this for even higher ticket products, make sure to follow me here, get my free ebook, as well as follow me on YouTube at Passive Income CEO. All right, see you later.